Let's learn about spinners in MIT App Inventor. This is the component and it's really very useful. Using this component, you can create a drop-down list, you can create a menu, and lot of things you can do with this. So let's see how we can use it. So first we have drag and drop. Just click on this and the right side you'll see the width. Just make it the fill parent like this. Cool. Now what I need to do here, in the right side, you will see the option of prompt and the element from its strings. So once I just put the elements here, what I can do here, I'm going to put here the cat and dog. Okay. So I have two items here in that list. Okay. First, I'm going to add here the selection like this. Okay. So I have two items like selection, cat and dog. Cool. Now here's the prompt. So you can just say here select any animal. Now I'm gonna just do one thing here. Whenever I select the any item like cat, dog, or any other animals, so that picture will display here. So for that, I'm gonna just drag and drop here picture like image here like this. Cool. Now I need to upload the picture here. So in the right side, you'll see upload file. Click on this and click on choose file. I'm gonna upload that file here. Okay, cat image, and I'm gonna upload another one more image is dog image here. Like now, let's go to the block and click on spinner after selection. Okay, I'm gonna use your condition. Click on control and use the if. Select the logic and just drag and drop this. If the selection get selection is equal to the text is called cat, then I need to set image dot picture to be cat.jpg and click on else if, and if the condition is, suppose just copy paste, if the selection is equal to the dog, then I need to set that as a picture to be a dog like this. Good. Now let's see how this will work. I'm going to use an AI companion to run this. Now this is selection, this is the here spinner. Click on this. You can see selection cat and dog. Now click on the cat. See the cat image, select again and just CC dog. This is dog. This is how we can use the spinner. Click on dog and you can see the select animal. This is the prompt. You can write anything here. Okay. Now this is how you can use the spinner. There's one more thing, and this is I really like about that is go to the design. Suppose I want to create and I want to use this as a menu. Okay. So what I'll do here, click on this spinner and the right side, you will see the visual. Just uncheck that. Okay. And click on that button. And you can use this as, the menu. Like you can use here the three dots as a menu. And once people click on this, okay, I'm going to just make width is like 30%. Click on this. So one menu will appear. And this is the spinner. You can just add here the menu 1, 2, 3. Okay, like menu 1 item, menu 2, menu. Go to the block. And you need to just click on button. Once the people click on that button, okay, then spinner and call it display dropdown like this. So once you click on this, the dropdown will appear. Yeah, companion, I need to again connect this. You can see the button is bottom. Click on this. You can see the menu. Good. So this is how you can use the spinner. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. And please subscribe channel for more updates. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.